This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Moran. The Waterford blends innovative design with stunning sightlines throughout. Engineered beams replace traditional columns in key areas, creating a spacious feel and visual flow from the front living room to the rear kitchen or optional sunroom. The heart is our largest gourmet kitchen, featuring expansive counters, a grand island breakfast area, and tech center. A smart entrance from the garage offers stylish storage for daily essentials. The adjacent family room boasts sloped ceilings and a cozy gas fireplace. Upstairs, a striking staircase leads to 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a luxurious owner's suite. Part of our estate's collection, the Waterford offers unmatched flexibility with options like a sunroom screened porch, upstairs media room, extended walk-in closet, or 2 alternate downstairs bedroom and bathroom layouts to suit your lifestyle. Love where you live in one of North Suffolk's premier locations. April 11, 2025. For more information.